DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. We back in this bit with another bang. I'm telling you, man. You see what we are doing today. Yo, that mafia. We back in this today, man. And we there with Mr. First Nation. Mr. What's that? What did I say? Strong fighter. Strongest soldier. Man, carried. Born fighter. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Mr. Born fighter. You already know what we're talking about, man. We're back here with Jahshii. The one that named Numb. The last thing we reacted to from Jahshii was Dreams Turn Reality, I think. You know what I'm saying? That was a good track. He's just talking about how, you know, all his dreams came to reality from his hard work and good stuff. But today, we're there with Jahshii, the one named Numb. And according to social media, the one that should address all of the allegations and all of the stuff that's been going on recently. As you know, earlier in the year, Jahshii and his mother, Jahshii's mother and some people got into this community and all that good stuff. And then the person is allegedly related to some Don or something like that. And you know what I'm saying? He end up leaving the yard or anything. And well, the guy end up dying. You know what I'm saying? People, you know, rumors saying he's related to Jahshii. Jahshii left yard or anything. But no, Jahshii brother end up dying and all this good stuff. So apparently this song, according to social media, addressed a lot of that stuff, a lot of that controversy. And a lot of that controversy and all that, you know, all that little drama going around his name right now. Apparently this, he addresses on this song. I'm gonna check it out, see what I deal with, you know what I'm saying? Cause some crazy rumors going around. I can only imagine Jahshii probably go through some crazy stuff right now, you know what I'm saying? They say his brother just died, and then they heard that, you know, the Jahshii's brother's friend also died, and a lot of killings going on in their community. So a lot of people dying in like where Jahshii come from and stuff, allegedly. You know what I'm saying? So I can only imagine how he's feeling. He got in an altercation with a person and his mom, allegedly, and then he left, and then my brother ended up dying. So I can only imagine. Probably feel like a film fought. You know, probably feel like he abandoned his brother, or you know what I'm saying, run away, all type of stuff probably going through his mind. So you don't know. So I want to check it out. Swear dog I deal with, and apparently address it on this song. So we're not even going to vibes much longer, gang. We're gonna jump right into it. You feel me? This is Jahshii Numb. Let's get it.
Don't I feel like that, bro?
Don't I feel like darkness, man, and them man said don't I feel like dog. Already this starting now deep, my G. This gonna be a heavy one. This gonna be a heavy one, gang. I don't know, Jahshii's a very deep guy. You feel me? Very lyrical, very deep. Out of talk from your heart. You see me? So I know this gonna be a heavy one, bro. This gonna be a deep one, gang. You know what I'm saying? Friendly man say, yo, dog, time for light, bro. I like it. Let's get it.
Pain create me, hear that?
Pain.
I'm a bumbo clot numb now. If you cut me, you not see no blood now. Me a fight, there no punch out. Born as a soldier, me no cub scout. No.
Cha. Yeah, man. Tell the one I got every man say, yo, me bumbo clot numb now. You cut me, you not see no blood now. You see me a fight. But the fight cannot include no punch out. You see me? Which means the fight go on, but nobody now get knocked out in the fighter. You see me? How you have to stand up on it. It's a fight in him, basically. You see me? None. That's crazy, bro.
Like the media, so I'm for love crowd.
Yeah, I feel tear up
plug
inside.
Out every plug now. In the dark alone, all when the sun out. Let me hear a voice, ain't no done now. You can't see light without darkness. What is life without fight? Still I forgive.
Man, say me night darkness out when the sun out, bro. You see me? You can't see light without darkness, bro. You know no dark that gotta be, bro. Man, tell you, me night darkness out when the sun out. Yeah? 12 o'clock in the day, me outside the middle day, I'm still night dark, bro. Where you feel right now?
Thanks regardless, the vision, the future look brighter. What is light without dark? Strongest soldier get the fight. Fittest I got survive regardless. All of this are just theater.
Just I mentioned the song, the strongest soldier get to find. See, he mentioned it back in the song, bro. Yeah, man. Come on. The man just strong youth, man, as I say, a part of the fight this time. He's like,
obstacle day in the way. Real life and no movie or animate. God, you give me the mission. You fear navigate. Man, want secure the food in a mommy plate. You give me the
say, God, you give me vision, you know. You me want to navigate this. You see me, I say? Which is right. At least it asks to have God in thoughts and heart. You see me? Man say, yo, you give me the vision, you give me the road map, but you want to drive the car, God. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, take control. Come
Give me the mission, you fear navigate. Man, want secure the food in a mommy plate. You give me the blessing, some of music I dominate. Life is a lesson, me no want graduate. So me not complaining at the pain. Still I create a flame in at the rain.
Man say, life lesson, me no want graduate. You see me? So I'm going rare, because you know, when you graduate from something, you move on, you know. So I say, a life lesson, you know, I graduate from life, me, you know, I'm dead. You see me? So I have to just take it and go on and move. It's like crazy. It's crazy. Double into that. Come on, gang.
Every board, those zinc fence, I for gravitate. Another get a youth and take it on the plane. Suck your mother, miss a dead pussy, all you have to share. Tell my fans, them no worry, dog.
Suck your mother, miss a dead pussy, all you have to shame. Come on, man. Life we say now, man. Life over there.
The studio makes for everybody here.
Over here.
How me feel, nobody care. How I could have cost this, I probably fear. I worry me artist, God prepare. You can't see light without darkness. What is life without fight? Still have to give thanks regardless.
Yes. That's a fact, man. Yeah, man, what's life without fight? They still have to give thanks regardless. That's facts, gang. Yeah, man. I know Jahshii, I feel it right now, bro. Probably. Brain probably all over a place. You know what I'm saying about beer, weed right now. That's stress out, bro. You know what I'm saying about Jahshii will up your head, man. You don't know. I just saw like go sometime I feel my God, you know what I'm saying? You see, cause you're not wrong at the end of the day for defending your mom. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, defending your mom up in a age cause some rare. You see me? And they have to do that. You see me? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Especially if she ain't do nothing wrong, they have to do that. There was no way around it. So this they have to come regardless. You see me? Just said that somebody drop out and you probably defend him, and then somebody, we don't know what happened, how the man died, and somebody probably go defend him, feel like him. And I say, we don't know what happened, but yeah, you have to defend him, because there's no way in hell, just because you're artist and you'll be like, yo, man, defend him, because you don't know, you probably get sued. Man, fuck a lawsuit, nigga. Fuck, you know, fuck police, bro. You know, nobody watching, nobody doing to your family. You see me? So, yeah, so, you know, sometimes. That's how you think about it. But that's why you're smart and take up your brother with you. Yeah, your brother. You should know, say, any meal family got in here gotta leave, bro. You gotta spend that bread, dog. Spend that money. You feel me? No, you don't want to run off your place, but you got bread now. You see me? You know you're gonna get certain fight. You know people know you. You know, say anything happen, they're gonna associate it with you. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, you know, yeah, there's different. Certain them things are smart and a big artists that make money. I'm pretty sure that shop there ain't worth your career. You feel what I'm trying to say? So you could make your mother lock down that shop and go somewhere else and open another shop. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Life over there to say, you know it, but me know it, you know, I look like a call like you're running the place. You don't know, you know, I feel like you're running for no man and all these things. We get it. But certain things, you have to pick your battles wisely. And then you make a money. If you make money like you claim, I mean, your money, shut down shot there now, you could. You see me? Take all of your family, bro. Even if you know your mother know, you can't say the male family after left from the area. You know, say Jamaica stay. You can't catch quack or catch it short, bro. You don't know what time it is. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man, bad tune.
The vision, the future look brighter. What is light without dark? Strongest soldier get the fight. Fittest I got survive regardless. Yes. All of this are just for your time. Me no three question like
all of this is just for your time. Yeah, man.
Divorce, God, why? Can't replace the past of time. One life and me protect all of mine. Like half the media say me no talk online. Live and we learn, not just the class of life. In the darkness with the art of life.
That's what's up, man. Saying like that is darkness with art of life. That's what's up, man. Yeah, man. At least that, you know what I'm saying?
My bumbo clad numb now. If you cut me, you not see no blood now. Me a fight, there no poncho. Born as a soldier, me no Cub Scout. No like the media, so me for love crowd. Plug out every plug now. In the dark alone, all when the sun out.
In the dark back alone now in the sun out, man. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying?
Hear a voice, ain't no don't know.
Numb. Jaja. Jahshii, she ain't creative. Yeah, man, you don't know. She ain't creative. Shout out to creative. Really good videographer, bro, and director, bro. Shout out to him, bro. Jahshii. Jaja. Can only imagine, gang. You know, First Nation, big up on herself. Jahshii, big up herself. That can only imagine, bro. Man, probably go through some crazy emotions and feelings right now, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Lose her brother. You know what I'm saying? Because you're defending your mother and you're trying to better her life. Niggas wanna hear you because you're artist and thing, bro. It's crazy, man. Crazy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, bro? It's like crazy. You don't know people you love and grow up is part of the reason we make money enjoyable, you know. You probably have a dream about this one. I look at what not gonna do. You can't even do that with the brother now. No, that's the final of your brother, of your money, the bread. You do the thing. You can't even do it to the brother now because the brother drop out that. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, man. Nah, sorry. Sorry for your loss, though, Jahshii. You see me hold a head high, my DJ. You see me and say, keep up with good work. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, just take your time and go through where you need to go through. Go through all of the emotions, them, my G. You see me? Get your head right, and when the time is right, get your head back into the music. See, you still drop music still, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, yeah, man. My condolences to you and your family. Sorry for your loss. You know what I'm saying? RIP to your brother, G. You see me? RIP to the friend. All of the people that died in, Grandspen. All the people that died in Grandspen. Big up on yourself. But big up on yourself. Damn. All the people that died in Grandspen. RIP. Shout out to the families. Condolences to the families. You know what I'm saying? Sorry for you guys' losses. I don't know, DJ. Go through the thing, dog. You know, get emotions. You know, get everything when they're right. Jump back in the music and do your thing, bro. But yeah, man. Good track, gang. If you like it, look, show the artist some love and support. Go over there, type RIP. Your brother, show some, you know, show some support. Make you know, so Jambisco dance, you don't know, I will hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what to react to next. Hit me on Discord. All that good shit, gang. You don't know, we'll hit back with the reaction. Reaction then turn up now. We are going mad. We going crazy. You know, we're going to go crazy. We're not playing. Yeah, gang. We're back. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.